Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mo. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. So today's video, guys, it's going to be two things. So the most important one is I hit 1,000 subscribers. I am super excited. I am so excited for the fact that I have 1,000 people that is interested in watching my content, watching the things that I have here on this channel. I'm so excited that 1,000 of you are interested in watching my content that I put out here on MobellaLife TV. I am super excited. This is like a long overdue because now I'm a little over 1,000, but I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, because I really put a lot of hard work into the channel, and of course I'm learning along the way, but I'm super excited. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have stuck there with me from the beginning. I'm just so appreciative of all of my new subscribers and all of the subscribers that has been there with me as well from the past, just from the very beginning actually. So in this thanking you guys, I just want to go ahead and give you guys 15 fun facts about me. I thought that was something fun to do, so I said I want to go ahead and do something like a 15 fun facts. Now I've done the new YouTubers tag, but this is different. This is like a 15 fun slash weird slash funny facts about me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into that. So I cannot thank you guys enough. I'm just so grateful to be on this platform. You know, I started YouTube as a hobby, still is. It's something that I love to do, but I think you're gonna find these little fun facts slash weird facts, funny facts about me pretty interesting. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so I have my questions here in this notebook, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so for the first one, my favorite color is black, as you can see. Okay, so I don't know why. I mean, people ask me that. They used to say things like when I was in high school or anywhere I go, they said, did somebody pass away in your family? Are you mourning? I mean, I used to get all those questions. Are you like into goth stuff? I got all those questions, but the answer is no. I love black. I don't know why. And I love other colors as well, but my favorite go-to color is black. So number 2, my favorite foods are Thai food. I love Cuban food and I love Haitian food. I mean, I love other foods as well, but these are like my top 3 foods that I love. So that's my fun fact number 2 about me. Number 3. So number 3, yeah, I am. I'm an introvert. And I say this and you're like, why are you on YouTube? Well, honey, let me tell you why. First of all, there is nobody sitting in here in front of me. It's just me and the camera. So like, I prefer a good book. I prefer to stay home. I prefer to, you know, just snuggle in my bed, just, you know, get a nice blanket, cuddle up next to my husband, my kids or whatever. I am an introvert. I'm not an extrovert. So but my husband, of course, he's my balance. He's an extrovert. So he's like the one's like, hey, let's go out. Let's go do this and stuff. And I'll go sometimes. But if I had a choice, I would say I'm going to stay in. So I'm an introvert, guys. So if that's surprising to you, that's just my fun fact number 3. Number 4. So number 4 is I am one of 8. And when I say one of 8, I have 7 other siblings, including myself, makes 8. Yeah, so mom, I think she did say that she didn't have TV or something like that because she has 8 kids. So it's 5 girls and 3 boys. I am right in the middle. I'm the 4th. So 8. So to say that, I don't think we needed friends. We had each other. It was 8 of us. I love such a big family to the point where I think I remember saying to my mom, you know, when I get older, I'm going to have 10 kids. No, so that didn't happen. I have 2, and 2 is enough. 2 can be a lot, but 2 is enough. I have the perfect pair, the girl and the boy. So number 5 is I speak 3 different languages. I think I did mention that in my new YouTubers tag. I speak Creole, French Creole, some people call it. I speak Spanish, and of course, I'm speaking to you right now in English. And I will say a few things for you in Spanish. I'll say something for you in Creole. So, without further ado, me encanta YouTube y conocer amigos nuevos. Hay oportunidades para descubrir muchas cosas interesantes en YouTube. Espero que disfruten el video y por favor dejen un comentario abajo. Y por favor suscribe en mi canal. Gracias. En Creole. Nombre c'est Mo. Es Chanel moi. So moi me manger griot. And moi me manger un pile manger haïtien. So tout haïtien au dehors. Hey. So si c'est première fois ou vin dans channel moi, definitely subscribe dans channel moi, or because moi me un pile zami dans channel moi. And of course English. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And number 6. This is a weird fact about me. So my kids and they'll make fun of me, or wherever I go. I go certain places and people like freak out. But so you know about the hitchhiker's thumb. So I always make fun of that because of my thumbs. So my thumb pops a lot, of course, I guess because of my joints and everything. So if you were to put your thumb and they say give a thumbs up, so you would do this, right? The weird fact about me is that my thumb goes all the way back. So when I used to do this, my thumb goes like this. So my thumb goes really far back. So this is like a weird thing for me. You see how far back it goes? Is this weird? Yeah, it is. Whenever I'm at work or something and I'm making like, maybe I'm doing something and I'm pushing a pen into the wall or something, and one of my coworkers saw my thumb go back and she's like, oh my gosh, are you okay? And I'm like, what? And I was like, no, that's my thumb. That's my thumb goes all the way back. So this is beyond a hitchhiker's thumb. I don't even know what they call that. I do like weird things with my thumb. It goes way back like this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so they don't hurt, but I always do things like that and to stretch out my thumbs, and it constantly snaps all the time. That's my weird fact about me. So you guys probably didn't know that, but when I do my DIYs, I don't know if you guys even notice it, but my thumb goes way back. So number 7. So some people ask me is this a real mole? So yes, this is a real beauty mole, and I will tell you a story about this. So me and my sister, one of my sisters, we both have a mole on the same side, and yeah, as you can see, this is not a tattoo, nothing like that. This is a real beauty mole on my face. Now, when I was younger, I wanted to take it off because we had a substitute teacher and her name was Miss Chipman, but we call her Miss Chipmunk. She had that mole on her face like Gargamel from the Smurfs, if any of you guys watched the Smurfs or whatever back then. Had a hairy mole. She had a big hairy mole with hair coming out of it. And my friends used to sneak, you know, that's what's going to happen to your mole. It's going to grow big and it's going to have those hair on it. And I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I was spending the whole day just scratching it out. I was trying to wash it out, put some things on. I didn't know what I was doing. I was in elementary school and I was trying to get it out. And my mom was like, what's wrong with your face? Why is it so red? And I said, I want to get this out of my face because it's going to grow a lot of hair on it and everything like that. So she's like, no, that's a beauty mole. It is not going to do that. Hers is just because she was probably born with it that way, but yours is not going to do it. So I was like, oh my God. And she said, trust me, when you get older, you're going to be so happy that you have this. And needless to say, I'm happy that I have it, and I don't have to do a tattoo or, you know, do what the girls used to do, take a little, I guess, eyeliner and do the little pencil thing in. I don't do any of that, so I'm so grateful for that. But that's a little funny story about that. Number 8 is I'm a bookworm. I love books. I love to read. I love to read, I'm telling you. I love to, and I know I do have an iPad, and I do use that to read books here and there if I'm away, but I love a good book and I like to turn the page. I like to put a bookmark in it. I like to fold it. I know you can do certain things like that, highlight and do stuff like that with iPad, but I really, really love books and I am a bookworm. Hands down, I love books. So as a matter of fact, I can read one right now with some hot tea and just chill with my book. When I have my salads, I prefer, this is just a fun, weird fact about me. When I eat my salads, I prefer no dressing on it. So when I eat my salads, it's without dressing. That is the weirdest thing, but I've been doing that since I was little. My mom would, make some salad for us, and she would even make her salad dressing and put it on the table, but I would always eat it just no salad dressing on it. Now, have I had salads with dressing on it? Yes, I have. But I prefer all the time, if I make my salads, no dressing on it. Don't matter what it is. I just love the taste of leafy greens. And I don't know. That's probably a weird thing. But for me, that's like, I love that. I love eating salad with no dressing. And number 10, just about me here on YouTube. I love YouTube. I love this platform. I love making the new friends that I've made here, and definitely want to make more new friends. But it's such a good platform to get to know people. You get to learn a lot of things. So I definitely love that. So about YouTube, and I love doing crafts on this channel and doing different things to show you guys the little things that I come up with. So I am just so excited about that. So I'm so appreciative of YouTube and providing this platform that you can do that. Another fact about me is I am a mom. So some of you guys don't know, I did say that in the beginning, but I am a mom of 2 kids. So they're not little. I have actual teenagers. So I have teenagers, a boy and a girl, and that's a fun fact about me. And I love my kids, and they grow so fast. So if you guys have kids, hey, you know where I'm coming from. But I love, 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 love my family. I'm married to a wonderful man. That's my best friend. And number 12, I love to cook. That's another fact about me. I love to cook. I love to bake. That's just something that I've always loved to do, and I love that. I just love to cook, so it's just like therapeutic for me. Number 13, so here's another weird fact about me. So whenever we go to Home Depot, we go to some different aisle to get things. I don't know, this has been like that for me. So when how someone will go down an aisle in a clothing store and they're like, oh my gosh, I love all of this stuff. Oh my gosh, they're like, kid in a candy store. So let me tell you what aisle at Home Depot that is my favorite. So the aisle that's my favorite is the tools aisle. Oh my gosh, that is just a fun, weird fact about me. I love all the tools, the saw and everything like that. I'm like a crafter and creator at heart. I've been like that since I was little. I would always be so happy to give my father, a tool like a wrench or something when he's working on the car. I just want to know all the tools. So whenever I go to Home Depot, I'm trying out the new tools that they have, and I love them. And that is like my favorite aisle to go down. So if ever you are in Home Depot and you happen to go in the tools aisle, you might find me there. And very happy, I might add. And number 14, I love, 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 love to thrift. As you can see on some of my thrift hauls, I love to do that. I've been doing that for a long time. I think you can find so many things, especially if you're like someone like me, can see a beauty in something, no matter old or new, especially old, and you can make it your own. So you can put in your house and create character in your house. So I love, love, love thrifting. So if you like thrifting as well, then definitely subscribe to my channel, because you will see some thrifting haul coming up, and I definitely do some thrifting haul that will come on Tuesdays here and there. So if you like thrifting like me, then definitely subscribe to my channel. Number 15, and to be the last, I really, really, really love Starbucks. So something that I like, something fun about me, that I love this drink so much. I did have some so I can drink while I'm doing this video. So I do have my pink drink. So this drink right here, I know I spoke about it before, but I love the pink drink. So I don't know if you guys have ever tried this. It just seems like they have so many other drinks, and I can't stay away from this one. So I really, really love pink drink. This is delicious, guys. So if ever you're in Starbucks, I love this. If ever you're in Starbucks, think of me and get this pink drink. Like a mixture of, it has coconut milk in it. So I'm not sure if you're a coconut liker, but you like coconut, but it has coconut milk and a tea that's in it, a mixture. But I really love that pink drink. I am not a coffee drinker. I am a tea drinker. Should I just try to pick out a few things about myself that I wanted to share with you guys, since I've never done this before. Also, I just want to invite you guys to leave in the comment section down below, because I really would like to do another maybe random facts or things that you didn't know about me. That's what I see some people do. So if there's some things you want to know, and keep it clean, guys, some things you want to know about me, leave the question down below of any things that you want to ask me, so that way in the next video I can make one like that for you. Guys, I just really want to say thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I really want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for the 1,000 subscribers plus that I've received from you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and enjoying my content. I definitely want to interact with you guys, so please, please, please definitely subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification button, because I want to make sure you guys see all the videos, like the new ones that are coming out, because some of you guys were telling me that you weren't getting a notification about the video. So definitely make sure you hit that bell button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. So don't forget to live your life beautifully, and I will see you guys then. Bye.